Hey guys, today I am going to make butterfly pea flower jelly. This flower has unique blue color. First of all, I set up my gasoline stove. Gasoline stove is very user friendly and cheap. After light up, add water to my kettle. Then it put into stove. After 5 minutes, water boiled. Flowers add into glass bowl and add boiled water to it. Boiled water can take out all stain in flour. After few more minutes, stain come out. After that, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of gelatin. Then it mix well and put into refrigerator. After 30 minutes, you can eat colorful jelly. To more video, subscribe my YouTube channel.